Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In this video, you get a quick look at 20 new tools that make creating, organizing, and getting things done easier than ever. The 3/8" ratchet is a compact cordless tool that delivers 70 foot-pounds of torque and 400 revolutions per minute for fast, reliable fastening. Its lightweight 3/4" head design improves access in tight spaces, while the contoured grip, modular trigger cap, and light-emitting diode work light enhance comfort and usability. The one-handed Reciprocating Saw Kit is a lightweight tool that delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute with a 5/8" stroke length for fast cutting. It offers easy one-handed control, quick blade changes through its release system, and a non-marring shoe for cleaner cuts. The Laser 3G Pro is a three-dimensional, high-visibility laser that projects one horizontal and two vertical circles for accurate alignment. Its intersecting lines provide a plumb reference for simultaneous floor and ceiling work. Each laser line can be activated on its own, and the anti-drift system shuts the device off if external factors could cause inaccurate measurements. The blower is a lightweight, quiet tool that delivers strong clearing power with 450 cubic feet per minute, 120 miles per hour airspeed, and 11 newtons of force. It weighs 4.4 pounds, offers variable speed control with a lock-on feature, and is compatible with all M18 system products. The Sidekick is a shop cart system from Milwaukee Tools designed to keep tools organized, accessible, and ready for demanding work. It features a heavy-duty build for strength and mobility, customizable drawers and top storage, and accessory options that expand workflow efficiency. The thermal imaging camera uses a high-resolution infrared sensor to detect very small temperature differences and produce clear, detailed images. Its wide measuring range supports work in construction, mechanical engineering, and electrical fields. The power-built 3-in-1 folding utility table functions as a table, a dolly, and a cart for work and transport tasks. It provides a 31-inch high work surface that holds 180 pounds, and in dolly or cart mode, it moves up to 330 pounds on lockable casters. Its heavy-duty construction, adjustable frame, and folding legs make it easy to use and store. The branch conduit bender with Auto Zero is a portable cordless tool that bends up to 1-inch electrical metallic tubing and 3/4-inch rigid metal conduit directly at the installation point. A UTO-ZERO provides consistent bend accuracy, and the design reduces effort compared to hand bending. The Jigsaw Kit includes a battery and charger and handles straight or curved cuts in many materials. It offers long run time, smooth control, up to 2,800 strokes per minute, and tool-free blade and bevel adjustments with a dust blower and LED light for clear visibility. The cleaning gun reaches tight areas like upholstery, dashboards, and vents and cleans and dries them in seconds. Its stronger air blast removes tough dust and grease, and the quick change bottles make refilling fast. The improved tube design reduces wear, uses less detergent, and works at any angle with 360-degree cleaning. This marking paint used for surveying, topographical work, and general public works. It has a twist and lock safety cap and produces thin, precise lines. The fluorescent formula lasts long on many surfaces and is free of CFCs, lead, and cadmium. The trim router is a compact yet powerful 1.2 horsepower tool with variable speed and soft start for smooth, controlled cuts. It includes both a trimmer base with a roller guide and a plunge base that also works as a router lift. Suitable for tasks like mortising, molding, and laminate edging, it offers precise handling and easy portability. The Sealy Space Warmer indirect kerosene and diesel heaters provide clean, fume-free heat for large indoor spaces. They offer strong heating performance, automatic thermostat control, long run times from a large fuel tank, and a portable wheel-mounted design with a flue system that vents fumes safely. The ROCOOL MINI is a wireless tool for installing and maintaining refrigeration, air conditioning systems, and heat pumps. It connects to the ROCOOL app for intuitive control, live data monitoring, and automatic logging with date and time. This ceiling tripod attachment fits drywall supports with 25mm or 28mm inner tube diameters. It increases the support surface, applies even pressure through its 3-wing contact design, and installs quickly without tools. The all-round pipe fixing prevents the contact surface from tipping, making it safe to use. The wet-dry vacuum uses a HEPA filter that traps nearly all dust and can be rinsed for reuse. Its brushless motor runs cooler, lasts longer, and offers 2 suction modes for light cleaning or tougher debris. 2 batteries provide up to 40 minutes of runtime with fast recharging. The 3-in-1 design handles dry debris, liquids, and blowing tasks with cordless mobility for home, garage, or outdoor use. The voice-controlled lantern lets you use spoken commands to power it, change brightness, and switch modes. It produces up to 1,000 lumens with 5 light options and runs up to 16 hours on its USB-C rechargeable battery, which also works as a power bank. It can also use AA batteries as backup and has a rugged, water and dust-resistant design with built-in cord storage. The Varix Easy Cable Stripper is designed for fast, clean removal of cable insulation with minimal effort. It provides smooth, controlled stripping on a wide range of cable sizes and reduces the risk of damaging conductors. The Lift and Drive Mobile Lift Trolley is an easy-to-use, ergonomic lifting solution with multiple control options and built-in safety features. The trolley supports smooth, precise handling of loads and helps reduce manual strain. Its compact design makes it suitable for tight workspaces and a wide range of material handling tasks. The DIA 250HW combines the mobility of handheld drilling with the stability of a guided system. Its lightweight design and integrated manual feed make operation easy, while the central feed rod applies force directly along the drilling axis to reduce torque, keep the bore straight and secure, and hold the core sample in place. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest tools and innovations available online.